All right, I need all of you to listen to me because I'm going to tell you the rules. So you need to listen, okay? And also I would ask that as your classmates and your friends and peers are spelling their words, you need to keep it quiet up here, okay? And for those adults, if you have a child with you, if you need, there is a cry room available where you can still see and see what's going on without any affecting anybody else on stage. All right, you all drew a number. That way you all have a random assignment to where you're seated. That way we don't know the words that you're getting until you get them. The role of the pronouncer, Ms. S, she's going to tell you the words. Okay, she's going to correctly pronounce the word. Now, if you would like, you can ask her and she can give it to you in a sentence. Or if you'd like, she can give you a definition, but you have to ask. Once you begin spelling the word, you cannot ask any questions any longer. Once she gives you the word, what I'd like you to do is say the word before you begin spelling it. When you're done spelling it, say the word again. After you say the word, when you're done spelling it, our two judges are going to let you know whether you spelled it correctly or incorrectly. If you spell it correctly, they're going to give you the green card. If you spell it incorrectly, you'll get the red card. And at that point, Ms. S would let you know how to spell it correctly. All right, having started to spell the word, once you've started, you can stop and start over if you say starting over. So if you had to spell fish and you said F-I, and you get lost, you can say starting over, F-I-S-H. So you can say starting over, but if you don't say starting over, then you would be disqualified. So if you move where you are, make sure you say starting over. If you do say starting over, though, you can't change the way you spelled the word. All right, the competition is going to be conducted in rounds. Each speller remaining in the spelling bee at the start of the round shall spell one word in the round. Upon missing the spelling of a word, the speller immediately drops out of the competition. The next word on the list is given to the next speller. Under no circumstance is any speller asked to correct the misspelling of another speller. If none of the spellers remaining in the spelling bee at the start of a round spell the word correctly during that round, all shall remain in the competition with the spellers spelling in the original order. All spellers eliminated in the same round will be tied in the same place. All right. When we get to the last round, which is when there are two of you left, if one of you spells the word incorrectly, the other one will have to spell it correctly in addition to one more word. So you must spell two more words correctly than the last person in order to win. So with that, we're going to go ahead and start with a practice round. All right, and I think for the first round or two, I'm going to stand up here to try to direct them until they figure out what's going on. So, our first speller, what should you do? Go ahead and come on up. And Ms. S will give you a word. Go ahead and speak to the microphone. Ms. S is going to tell you the word. Make sure you speak into the microphone so your judges can hear you, okay?
Add. A-D-D, add. Big. Big. B-I-G, big. Cat. Cat. C-A-T, cat.